In front of me is a Magic 7 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. You need to begin by accessing Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. When it's ready, launch it. Hit OK. Make sure that Timeout is set up to infinite and go into Tab menu. Now you need to edit your shortcuts thanks to this icon of a paper and a pen at the top right corner. Hit Edit Shortcut switch. Scroll all the way down, find Caffeine 1 and drag it to your currently used ones. Hit Done, click on your new shortcut and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!